Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The table below shows the number of books read by 5 children in 1 month. If Brendan read 4 books, less than one third of the total number of books read by the other 4 children, then Brendan read dash books in a month. So let's first calculate what is the total number of books read by other 4 children. Total number of books read by other children. It is nothing but 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 21. Now 15 plus 15 is 30 and 9 plus 21 is again 30. So total number is 30 plus 30, which is 60. Now it is said that Brendan read 4 books, less than one third of the total number of books read by other 4 children. So let's see, one third of total books read by children read by others. So one third of total books read by others is equal to one third of 60, which is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 20. Now it is given that Brendan read 4 books less than that. Number of books read by Brendan is equal to 4 less than, that is one third of total books read by others minus 4. This is the number of books that Brendan read. Now we know one third of total number of books read by others is 20. So 20 minus 4, which is equal to 16. So Brendan read 16 books. So there will be 16 here, 16 books in a month. This is the answer.